Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Members Appreciation Tour. And today is very, very different. We're back in Accor Hotels. We're back home, guys. And we're here today at a hotel that I've never ever stayed at. Now, I don't mean like never stayed at, as in, of course, I've never been in this property where I am right now, but I've never stayed at this Accor Hotel brand. And that is exciting because probably I would suggest that many of you watching right now, especially if you're in Asia, Australia, New Zealand, Indonesia, India, you probably haven't stayed at one of these hotels or where I am today. You probably, some of you, might not even have heard of this property. So today I'm at the Aparthotel, which essentially is apartment, hotel combined, Aparthotel. It is called Adagio Access Brussels Airport. So it's Aparthotel Adagio Access Brussels Airport. And essentially it is an Adagio Access property. And I've never ever stayed at one of these brands before. And today is the first day. And my first impressions, I love it. I had a really cool greeting from the receptionist downstairs when I arrived late. Free airport complimentary shuttle as well. It runs every kind of 30-45 minutes. You can get the shuttle directly here to this property, as well as many of the hotels around here as well. So that's really exciting. And just in case and you want to come and stay here, you're doing maybe a transit of Brussels, or if you're going to be staying like a long stay, there's lots of government facilities around here. NATO headquarters is very close to where we are now as well as of course the airport. So they have a lot of long stay guests as well. So if that is the case and you want to get the shuttle from the airport, give you guys an idea, you can go down to level 0, so the ground floor, you go out to where the buses are and you need to look for section E. E is where you get the bus and it's going to run every 30 to 45 minutes. You can just wait there for the bus and look for the one that says Adagio Access. Very cool. So we are in the Adagio Access property here today, the Adagio Access Aparthotel, Brussels Airport, and it isn't very far from the airport, and it's really nice. My first impressions, I'm really loving it. I'm really enjoying it. Like I said, great greeting from the receptionist when I arrived, and the room that I've got is the studio. So it's a studio, it's for 2 people with a double bed, and he was telling me that they've got kind of 2 styles of this room. One is like what I've got. You can actually see this bed can actually go upwards into that hole, and then it becomes a couch. And they've also got standard without this kind of bed. They've got the standard bed as well. So there's 2 kind of styles. And then they also having the twin room, of course. And then they also have a room for 4 people too. So hopefully I'll be able to show you guys that as well. They've got a gym that's open 24/7, as well as, of course, breakfast that's available. Now, if you are a Diamond member, breakfast is available on weekends, but not throughout the weekdays. But I'm going to show you the breakfast anyway. And the breakfast is quite interesting at this property because it is a cluster property, which is actually linked to the Holiday Inn Express, which is just across the way. You'll see that when I show you outside. The breakfast is held in the Holiday Inn at the moment. So I'll show you the breakfast that's on offer too, so you guys can see. But essentially, if you're coming for an overnight stay, if you're coming for a long stay, both options are great here for the Adagio Access Hotel. So shall we check it out? Let's have a look at the room. Let's see what it's all about, and let's explore this property that is brand new to me. You still get your welcome drinks, you still get your points, you can still earn, you can still burn points here. So it is a full, essentially, utilization of your core benefits, and another place that you can earn and also burning points. So let's have a look and check out the room. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my studio, which is built here for 2 people. Entranceway, bed, table, everything. We'll go through the whole works. Let's start off at the entranceway. So we do have a nice wide entrance, and we do have our bathroom in here. So we might as well start off at our bathroom. Coming in here, you're going to have very white, nice mirror here, lovely. Nice big mirror, you got your cup, so you get your water, good pressure out of your water there. There is a power plug here, a local plug, as well as our cleansing hand wash from our Aparthotel Adagio Access. Hopefully I'm saying it right, guys. I'm sorry if I'm not. You got the Royal Throne here, which has a single barrel. Well, it's got a double barrel, but just with the one single on it at the moment. It does have a soft close lid. And you've even got this towel rack, which is heated. Very nice. Our mat there for down below. And then you've got a hairdryer and your towels. And then this is your shower. So you do have a standard shower head as well as our body and hair wash there. And we can check the pressure. not bad at all. Can't complain about that. And is it hot? Let's see. Let's let it run. Oh yes, it's nice. Oh wow. It's very, very hot. So you've got a good shower there as well to enjoy. Towel rack coming back outside. I love the lighting in the room, it's really nice, and I love the colors, so different. Now, because this is an apart hotel, so half apartment, half hotel, we now have our sink. So we've got our sink here, which you can utilize. You got your microwave up here as well, really cool. And even a stove top, so you've got a double stove, you've got a kettle, everything here you need for cooking, and then you've also got in here your fridge, which also features a freezer. So you got the fridge and also the freezer there. Nice big space for your fridge freezer, very nice. Down in here, you're gonna have, all our cutlery and some cooking utensils and stuff, nice. And down below here, we got our trash bins and also our cleanup thing as well, really cool. Range hood as well, and then, look up here. Lots of plates and cutlery, glasses and all that to make your coffee, really cool. Love the lighting, it's nice. And up here, you even got pots and pans. Wow, it's completely complete. That's so cool, I love it. Over here, it's my telephone. Smart TV, so I do have a smart TV. And I love this. We've got the plugs, no international, but we've got 3 separate plugs. We've got USB-C and also USB-A, so that's a fast charger. And also Ethernet port there. So you've got perfect for working, and you've got your lovely workstation here as well that you can sit at and enjoy. I love the curtains, nice. This is my bed. So like I said, 2 styles of bed. This bed actually you can fold up and go into there, which is cool. And then in regards to this style of bed, it is kind of a medium to hard. And there is gonna be some outlets either side. So we've got USB-C and USB-A and international power plug, and another one down here as well. And a full body mirror. Really cool, with a light at the top. Air conditioning controls here, and then we've got our cupboard. I haven't looked in here yet. Lots of hanging space. We've got our coat hangers there too, really nice. And on this side, you're gonna have, cool, safety deposit box, great. And even the ones for your pants. I love it. There is like a little table here as well, which has a seat at it too, that you can have your dinner at. My luggage over there, don't mind that. And then in regards to over this side, we've got another plug over there, standard local plug. And you can see there's a Holiday Inn out there, which is where the breakfast will be held. You can also open the window if you want a bit more breeze. It does open up inwards like that to let your breeze in. And you do also have the curtain here if you want to bring it down to give yourself some privacy and block out the light. Really nice. Got a welcome letter. Look at this, back to our welcome letters. I've never ever, guys, had one of these from Aparthotel Adagio Access, and the team even give me some like chocolates. I love it. Oh wow, they smell amazing. We got some cappuccino and coffee cream. We got many chocolates. Oh, there they go. Now, also got a drink voucher. I already used my drink vouchers, available on your app, and then you also get you can get a voucher as well that you can redeem. I've already had my drinks because I was very thirsty. What do we got here? So cool. Welcome letter. Let's have a look at what it says. Welcome to Adagio Access Brussels Airport. Dear guests, thank you for choosing Adagio for your stay and for being a valued member of the ALL program. To ensure you come, please note your room is designed without a phone. If you have any questions or need assistance during your stay, our reception is open 24 hours a day, and our team will be more than happy to assist you. From the Adagio Access Brussels Airport team. Guys, what do you think? Something different, yeah? Something you haven't seen before, an Adagio Airport Hotel. I love it. They're not only at the airport though, guys, they're at other locations as well. They've actually got a few different ones in Dubai. Hopefully I'll go check those out as well. But I don't believe there's any in Asia itself. So if you do know one in Asia, let me know. From what I understand, there's none. But if I'm happy to be proven wrong, and I'm happy to go and try these properties. So yeah, if there's a core brand that I haven't stayed at that you would love me to stay at, let me know. Drop it in the comments down below. But for now, let's go check out the Adagio Access Aparthotel's Adagio Access Brussels Airport. Let's go check it out. Welcome to Aparthotel Adagio Access. Okay guys, so this one here is the same as my room. So it's a studio for 2 people, but now we have the 2 beds. So this is your twin. So you can see you got 2, and this is a different style because it doesn't push up into the back like mine. So this essentially would be the other style within the 1 bed as well, or the king bed, double twin. This is essentially 2 beds, and this is the one that doesn't go up, same as what they have available in one with the 1 bed that also doesn't go up. So yeah, this is your other category, and PowerPoint either side there, and also your smart TV that they've got here as well. But everything else is the same in this room as in mine. Now we're going to check out the room that fits for 4 people, and then we'll go check out the rest of the hotel. So now we're in the highest room category. There's only 3 room categories. So you've got the room that I was in, and then you've got essentially the twin, which essentially is the same room category, a level. And then you've got this one, which is essentially the studio, but this one sleeps up to 4 people. This is really cool. And the team was saying they can upgrade members to this room, but essentially I didn't really need it. I'm here 1 night. I said I don't need 4 beds. I'm only 1 person. So yeah, I'm happy with the standard room in this case. But let's have a look at it so you guys have an idea of the studio for 4 persons, because maybe you want to come with 4 people. So here it is. Welcome to the studio for 4 person. And you'll notice as we come in, it's actually a bit more spacious. It's around 26 square meters. You can see you've got the standard bed there, the twin bed, a nice double bed for 2 people. And all your power outlets are actually going to be up the top here now. So, and also lighting control. You got some power either side up the top there. And then over here, this is actually one of the beds. They can be made up, and I'll show you, you've actually got all the things in the cupboard to make up. This is your power points there, Ethernet and USB, and you got your little working desk there again. Smart TV once again, and then you got your window outside, of course. Over here, it's gonna be a 2-person dining table, full body mirror here too. And then inside the cupboard of this one, you'll actually notice we've got the safety deposit box, and then you've got all of your bedding that makes up for that bed over there. So you can just grab it out here and you can make your bed up over there. Really nice. You've still got your full kitchen set up over here, and this time you're gonna have a big fridge. So you've actually got a full fridge now, a lot bigger this time for the whole family, in the freezer. And then this here is your other bed. So you can see we can actually pull this out, and that is another bed that you can actually utilize for your stay. So if you're a family, this is perfect. So that is your area there. And there's even a washing machine. Look at that. Wow, there's a washing machine in this one. That's really cool. Everything else is going to be the same. And then our bathroom is the same as in my room, with the raw thrown there and your standard shower over there. So yeah, guys, this is the studio for 4 people. This is their highest room category available. Now we're gonna go and check out, they've got a gym. We're gonna check out the gym, and also they've got a laundry. So we're gonna check those out, and then we'll have a look at the breakfast. Something else they have here, being the service departments, is they have the washing room, so your laundry room. So this is on the below 1, level -1. You have the laundry here, which you can use as well. So you've got the washing machines as well as the dryers here, which you can use during your stay as well. And this is all the information on it. So you can get the WeWash app, and then you can utilize this for your washing, and you can pay via the app. So yeah, you can have a look at that. WeWash it's called, and that's the laundry here on the -1 level. So we're here in the gym. This is the gym, the fitness center. It's actually open 24/7. You can use your room key for access. Really cool. They got techno gym equipment here. So you got all techno gym. It's not very big, but still this is available here for you guys when you stay here at the Adagio. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm definitely trying to remember the name. Adagio. First time ever in one of these properties. So exciting to be here. And yeah, this is your gym. Open 24/7. It's available. It's on the lobby first floor, or the ground floor, floor number 0. Very, very cool. Let's go check out the breakfast. Now, the breakfast is quite interesting because it's not in this building, it's across the road. So we're gonna go check it out right now. It's wet, it's cold, it's slippery. This is not ideal. So we're going into Holiday Inn Express, which is just here, so it's super close. And this is where they actually have the breakfast for the Adagio. So we'll go check it out. So kicking off with some hard-boiled eggs. Nice, they've got wedges. It's like a Western breakfast. Tomato, beans, and also they have the scrambled eggs, which people have been smashing already. They've got 2 lots of scrambled eggs, that's how popular it is. We've got mayonnaise and ketchup. Really cool. We've got muesli, we've got some cereals here. Ava Mountain, haven't heard of that. Cocoa Pops, cornflakes, milk. So they have peach passion yogurt and plain yogurt, fruit salad, soya milk, cream cheese, tomato, and cucumber as well. We have some cheese here, different cheeses, pork ham, chicken ham, and pork salami. And we have some breads here as well. Bread's got lots of baked bakery goods here. Wow, many breads on offer. Look at this. And we've got here peanut butter, acacia honey, choco hazelnut spread, and they look like ice cream cones. Got croissants, danishes, raisins, everything here as well. Really cool. Choco bread. Nice. And they call it grey toast and white toast. Nice. And they've also got forest fruit jam, raspberry and strawberry jam. Got the coffee machine here, and I'm ordering it's called a dark chocolate here. We've also got pure squeezed apple juice and also orange juice here as well from the juice machine. And they've got some tea here as well. This machine also does coffee as well, that you'll see once it finishes. So this is your different options: espresso, cafe, creamer, latte, cafe latte, milk coffee, many options. Welcome to the buffet breakfast here at the Adagio Access here at Brussels Airport. Now, there's something different because today we're not in Adagio doing the breakfast, we're in the Holiday Inn Express, because they actually run their breakfast inside the Holiday Inn Express, which is just across, like around 20 metres from their building, so it's very easy, very convenient. It kicks off at 6:30 through till 10 on the weekdays until 10:30 on the weekend. And as a Diamond member, you actually get access to breakfast worldwide on weekends. So during the week you have to pay, but on the weekends you get it complimentary. So that is another benefit of being a Diamond member. Of course, in Asia Pacific, you're getting it every day as a Platinum or a Diamond member. But here in Europe or worldwide, anything outside Asia Pacific, you need to be a Diamond member, and you'll get it on the weekends. But during the week, you'll have to pay as per normal. So yeah, let's go check out the breakfast that's on offer here, and then I'll do my final thoughts on the property. Very cool. Okay, that was the Adagio Access at Brussels Airport. Great property, great price in regards to all the different airport hotels. It's probably the most affordable one, but there's so many hotels around Brussels Airport, and there's actually heaps of different Accor properties as well. So of course, check the rates depending on when you're staying and when you need to be there. But the good part about staying at the Adagio is they actually have a shuttle service that's actually runs throughout the entire day. They have shuttles from the hotel to the airport as well. So essentially in the morning time, you can actually get the first shuttle back to the airport at 3:55 a.m. It takes around 10-15 minutes, so not too long at all. And they have essentially shuttles throughout the morning and also the evening. So from the hotel, 3:55, 4:40, 5:25, 6:10, 6:55, 7:45, 8:35, and 9:20. And then they also have in the evening 5:10, 6, 6:50, 9:35, 8:20, 9:05, 9:50, and 10:35. Of course, the times can change as well, so just keep an eye on that. And you can always contact the hotel if you need any help. And the pickup zone, you can just go straight outside the hotel and easily get picked up. Let the team know if you do need a pickup, and they will organise that and let you know when the shuttle comes. So it's around every kind of 30 to 40 minutes. It actually comes back to the airport and then takes you to the Adagio. So great property, easy place to come and enjoy for just an overnight stay. Very affordable compared to all the other properties, and only 10-15 minutes away from the airport. So a great location if you just have a quick overnight stopover like I did in Brussels. But until next time, when we go back to Asia, it is Redgie out.